Let me show you how putting a small link in your ads and posts can get you more customers right now. The link you see here at the bottom of this Facebook post will start an automated conversation in ManyChat. When your prospects click the link, it brings them straight into Messenger. I've set this up to be a lead generating conversation. Check it out. Here you can see the visual layout of the conversation. We take the prospect through a series of qualifying questions, and at the end, they can choose to ask a question, make an appointment, or check out our website. All this information gets stored on our Google Sheet, where we can easily access it from our computer or our smartphone. This is what it looks like on your prospect's phone when they click into the post or the ad. And again, I just want you to know this is totally customizable, and you can ask any questions or deliver any information that you'd like. The phone number and the email is going to auto-populate right into the conversation using the data that Facebook has on record. That cuts down on bad lead information, and it's a huge bonus. At the conclusion of the conversation, we offer the opportunity to have a live chat or set an appointment. And you'll notice at the top of the screen at the end of the conversation, I get a text notification from ManyChat letting me know that I've got a lead in the system. It gathered the email, the phone number, along with some good information that we can use. ManyChat is an omni-channel platform that you can use, Messenger, text, and email to help you grow your business. Take the chat marketing bot for a test drive and sign up to get notified when I create more content that can show you ways to help you grow your business.